For decades, Field Controls has been a leader in innovative indoor air quality products. One of those products is the Duo 2000, a complete whole house indoor air purification system. The Duo is a potent germ neutralizer. At the core of the Duo is the powerful, high-intensity UVC germicidal lamp that stops germs dead in their tracks. The Duo is backed by science. The CDC and World Health Organization recommend the use of ultraviolet germicidal irradiation, or UVGI, as an effective technology to minimize the spread of airborne microorganisms. ASHRAE has addressed concerns of coronavirus disease transmission with recommended mitigation strategies for whole house and portable systems, and recommended strategies include UVGI. Independent lab tests document Duo's ability to eradicate viruses and bacteria's ability to reproduce by 93.6% and reduces airborne toxic chemicals known as volatile organic compounds, or VOCs, by 80% in 2 hours. Indoor air rapidly becomes fresh and pure. Duo combines 3 powerful air purification features. A high-intensity 50-watt UVC germicidal lamp eliminates unhealthy airborne bacteria, viruses, and mold, and vigorously irradiates AC coils of toxic organics and biofilms. The high-intensity UVC germicidal lamp is the most powerful energy output used residentially today. ProCell Technology. Our patented photoreactive oxidation process utilizes a titanium dioxide-coated catalytic aluminum substrate with an expanded pleated surface area that maximizes the exposure of VOCs and biologicals in the treatment zone and creates a catalyst when exposed to the UVC light, exciting the titanium dioxide to break down VOCs and biologicals into safe molecules. Finally, AirFresh activated carbon adsorption traps odors and toxic chemical impurities on an activated carbon surface, where they're catalyzed by the ProCell and refreshed. Duo is ozone-free, has been awarded 6 patents, and is compact and easy to install. It features the most powerful germicidal lamp used residentially today and offers more exposure in the treatment zone with ProCell. Protect your home from harmful airborne germs, viruses, bacteria, and mold, while reducing VOCs and other indoor air pollutants. Take control of your air. Duo 2000.